And I guess that's what I want to say today, Uti. We all have had experiences that were not pleasant. We have all had experiences that have challenged us to the core. Experiences that have stripped us, that have stripped our egos, that have stripped our pride, that will strip you of who and what you think you are or what you think you have. But things don't happen to us, but they happen for us. And I truly believe that now. And I'm grateful that, my guides saw it necessary to say, we're not saying don't pray that way because we do not understand your pain. But we are saying a time has come for you to stop worrying about it closure for all experiences, for all unpleasant experiences you've had. But instead, look at each and every experience and think and find ways in which you can gratify the experience. And I know now my assignment, my next test is to really go deep into each and every experience that I found uncomfortable, that I found unpleasant, that I found traumatic, that I found painful, and say, what has it done for me positively? How has it developed me? How have I grown? What knowledge did I gain? What wisdom did I gain? Who did I gain? Because kwamanye my experiences, you gain people, amazing people empilweni yakho. So instead, I'm saying to you who is finding it difficult to find closure about something, about an experience, about anything, go look at it from a different, but in POV point of view, and go and find a way to gratify that experience. Go and find a way, something, but before this happened, I was here, or I was like this. And after this experience, this is the new person that I became. This is the warrior that rose up. This is the wiser person that came out of it. This is the stronger woman that came out of it, or stronger man that came out of it. This is the resilience I gained out of this experience. This is how I've grown. Now I know this that I didn't know. Now I can do this that I couldn't. Now I've met so and so that I didn't know, but as a result of me being there or being in that experience, then it led me. And let us do that. Once you are certain, because you have to be certain, muscle sure, that you want to embark on a healing journey, understand and know that it is not linear. Understand and know that it is not straightforward. Understand and know that it can be messy. Understand and know that it can be steepy. And stay the course. But at the end, you will love the person you become. You will love lo muntu that you start seeing. You know yourself. You know yourself. You know your weaknesses. You know makwaho. Once you are dedicated, because it takes discipline and it takes commitment, because sometimes we are required to face into that we have buried. Our subconscious is buried. We have buried, and we have said we don't want to open that door. But once utufunu kila, you are sometimes forced to face and open certain things that you had thought you've closed. Healing will challenge you. It's a lot of work and it takes discipline, but it is worth it. The more you do, the more you peel off layers, the more you peel off layers, you feel lighter. You will be challenged, you will be given assignments, you will be asked to face things that you don't want to face. But inside here today, that experience, that painful one, that traumatic one, that bad one, how can you gratify it? What did you learn from it? Have a lovely weekend.